We're making our favorite calzone. So what I have here, I already made homemade pizza dough. I'm going to put that link below at the end of this video. So we're going to cut up the dough. We're going to divide it into each portion. It depends how many pizza calzone you want to make it. It is great for that. So I'm going to make 4. I like to use the Chinese chef's knife.
Excuse me, fancy pants.
You're also going to need some cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper.
Yeah.
Because it's easy to clean up while we're putting it in the oven because it prevents from sticking. I have Katharine, that she's here from Zoom video meeting, and I'm going to roll up the dough for each portions. I'm going to use the rolling pin and then roll it into a circle. Just like pizza, we're going to roll it, round it over nice and thin.
How big are you making them, Kyle?
How big? I'm going to see.
How big?
I'm going to see how many big one. I'm going to. It depends. It depends like this one. And just keep stretching, trying to make a circle of the calzone. And I'm going to put it onto the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. This is one of my brother's favorite. He likes to put pepperoni on his. I'm going to make one for my brother. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to loop those rolling pin. Spread it on the pizza dough. And I'm going to give him for the sharp cheddar cheese. Sprinkle right on top. And then let's put some pepperoni because my brother just loves pepperoni.
That's going to be so good, that one. When are you going to eat these, for your dinner or?
That could be for dinner. Just sprinkle more sharp cheddar cheese on top, and I'm going to give my brother some crushed red pepper, just to give it a little flaky one. And then I'm just going to close the calzone and just going to give this to a pinch. If there's a little gap, you can pinch it a little more.
I used a fork to pinch mine.
Oh, right. Yeah, that'd be a great one. So I'm going to go grab a fork because it's really easy to pinch that too. Comes right over together. So this is for my brother. So Katharine likes to decide to use a fork to give it a seal to pinch it over. And then just give it a close. So I'm gonna make mine for the ground beef, the sausage, and then peppers, and then olives, and then sharp cheddar cheese.
That's going to be a good one.
So I'm going to roll it into a circle.
I like that rolling pin.
Oh, thanks. How's that?
It's a good one.
Just a very nice and thin circle.
Back in a minute.
Just getting right into the circle. Look at that one. Alright, so I'm putting more cookie cheese on to this. I'm going to put it into mines. I'm going to put more of the tomato puree.
Why don't you just come out of the oven, Carl?
I'm going to sprinkle with sharp cheddar cheese. You can use any type of cheese you want for it, which is mozzarella, Velveeta, even all kinds of cheese. But Katharine doing hers for double cheeses, using with mozzarella and ricotta cheese.
Yep.
So I already cooked the lean ground beef and sweet Italian sausage that I made that earlier. So I'm going to use a spoon to scoop up those beef. Let's put it right here. Oh, I love beef and sausage. That I always sprinkle with garlic powder and some Italian seasoning. I'm also going to give it a little dollop of sliced black olives. I'm using plural sliced California ripe olives. I'm just going to give this to a dab of olives. I'm going to use it with a fork. Put this olives right in here. Alright. I like to sprinkle with red bell peppers that are already diced into cubes. I'm using red bell peppers. You can use any type of bell peppers you want. You can use the orange, the yellow, even the green. Just sprinkle right on to that.
That's going to be so good, Kyle.
Okay. Fold it into, close that. Alright, that's a lot of stuff all over in the calzone. I'm just going to keep closing those.
I feel mine a bit too much, but some of the three came out.
Right. And also, Katharine likes to use a fork to give this to a seal to make it a very easy one. And then I'm going to finish up after mine. Let's do with my mom's favorite.
I just took mine out of the oven, Carl. I'll send you a picture.
Alright. Let's make one for my mom's. And she's going to have with broccoli flats. I'm going to keep going together. I'm going to finish the rest. Now I'm going to make with my mom's favorite with the broccoli flats. Because my mom's going to have with broccoli on her calzone by herself.
And what will you put in that one? What type of cheese?
I'm using, I'm finishing for the sharp cheddar cheese. So you can choose any type of pizza sauce, which is Marinara Sauce, Alfredo Sauce.
Ooh, Alfredo sauce, that would be nice.
You can use barbecue sauce. You can make like barbecue chicken using barbecue sauce, cooked chicken, sweet onions, and of course sharp cheddar or mozzarella cheese.
I tell you what, barbecue chicken would be nice, or barbecue pork.
Barbecue chicken, barbecue pork. I'll sprinkle with some minced sweet onions on top of the broccoli. Of course, my mom wants the bell peppers. Just give it close.
Oh, I also put garlic in mine.
Oh, garlic in yours?
I put garlic in mine, yeah.
Oh,
so
right.
mine are like cheese and garlic.
Cheese and garlic. So I'm gonna keep closing over here. I like to use my thumbs to give it an extra seal. My mom's gonna love broccoli on calzone. Then
Your mum does.
onions and then bell peppers. Here comes the last one with my dad's favorite, the shrimp.
What's dad having? Shrimp?
Oh yeah, my dad gonna have shrimp. Alright, here's one of my dad's favorite one. I'm gonna put more of the tomato puree. I got an extra tomato puree on this one. Let's just put more sharp.
What cheese is that?
Sharp cheddar cheese. You see that before?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you can also use ricotta cheese if you can. So let's put some shrimp onto that. Sweet onions. And then just gonna close that. Easy to seal. So the cheese has to be very shredded. And oh yeah, I forgot to put it in on to the cookie sheet, like the parchment paper. Once you finish preparing to make calzone, and now it's time to make the egg wash. To give it a little shiny calzone, give it nice and golden brown. So for the egg wash, in a small bowl, I'm using 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of water. So I'm going to brush the egg wash right on top of that. I'm going to use with the pastry brush. Just brush it right on top.
They look lovely.
Hey Ben, how's it going?
Kyle, here's Ben.
Oh, hey Ben.
So Kyle's made. I just did cheese ones, but Kyle's done like shrimp ones, big ones.
Well, they look good. Big cheese in there, are they?
Yeah, just earlier.
Is that with the pastry?
No, this is with proper pizza dough.
Who's getting that?
I'm gonna get cheeky one and have one.
Here we are, guys.
Sit down on top. Well,
That's this one.
the hash.
Here,
That's really.
it's mine.
On my calzone photos that has with the Ultimate Supreme, I like to sprinkle with some grated Parmesan and Marinara cheese on top. And garlic powder, because I'm gonna love that.
Oh, that's going to be nice. You know what I was going to put on mine, Kyle? I was going to put rosemary on top, but I didn't. But I thought that might be nice.
Sounds great to add. So I like to cut with a little vent
Yep.
that allows the steam to escape.
Do you know how I cut mine? I did mine with scissors.
Scissors. So scissors would be great. I'm going to pop this in on 450 degrees for 20 minutes.
Ones and then a picture of you and I zooming.
Oh, right. So I'm gonna see Katharine's sent to me on Instagram how she's doing, how she looks like, and calzone's gonna be great. So I'm gonna show you what it looks. And hers it is. She likes to have with mozzarella and ricotta, double cheeses.
Are yours in the oven, Kyle?
Yeah, 20 minutes. I already said it.
Alright, cool. Listen, I'm going to get going, but send me a picture when they're done. I want to see them.
All right. Oh
All right.
yeah. All right. Bye, Katharine.
Thank you for including me.
My pleasure, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
So I'm going to give you just a close-up. So when it goes in the oven for 20 minutes, I just already used 2 of the cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. That'd be easy one to clean up. It doesn't want to get sticky on it. So this is one with mine that you sprinkle with Parmesan and Marinara cheese and garlic powder, and my dad's for shrimp, and then with my brothers, I can see it might be too dark in here, but and my mom's. But so let's go for 20 minutes. That be all you gotta bake in the oven. They'll be ready to go. All perfectly done. I just took it out of the oven for after 20 minutes at 450 degrees, and I just put it on the stove top or even the cooling rack. I just gotta let it keep it warm, nice and together. I just made mine with the Parmesan Romano and garlic powder. And also my mom's gonna have with, or actually my dad's gonna have with shrimp in here. Here's my brother's going to have with pepperoni, and my mom's gonna have with broccoli. So there you go, homemade calzone, our favorite. And here are the finished our favorite calzone from scratch. So to find more recipes, let me know in the comments below. Share a video after you review it. You want to give it a big thumbs up for A1. I want to thank you for Katharine with my British Sprout staff on Zoom video meeting. Click the bell to get a notification about new videos and the latest videos. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to serve yourself remaining of the pizza sauce and dig in. I hope you guys, and thank you very much for watching, and enjoy calzone.